Hi, my name is Olivia Hobgood. My project is an independent study that I am doing on the ability of Brassica ginsea, Indian mustard, to take up gold from Fort Knox mine tailings that might be left in the tailings. And my project is in progress right now. I've already done a small germination experiment to determine what mix of mine tailings and potting media that the plants will germinate in best, because the assumption is that all mine tailings will just kill the plants and they won't be able to take up anything. But my plants are growing in the greenhouse right now in a mix of 50-50 potting media and tailings, and they're doing really well. And I am really excited for the results of the concentrations of gold and other things in them, because there have been some studies that show using acidic mine tailings for this kind of project is the most promising for getting high yields of gold. And if I do turn out to have like a reasonably high yield of gold from this, that would be awesome, because that has awesome implications for using plants to mine low-grade ore heaps or just tailings piles, and it's a much cleaner alternative to heap leaching. I mean, you do have to use cyanide to to solubilize the gold in the study that I'm doing, which you also have to use in heap leaching. But there's also a lot more chemicals that go into heap leaching, more than just cyanide, and you also end up with acid mine drainage and these toxic tailings heaps, and it's just not. There's better ways, and phytomining has a potential to be very economical and very clean. And I think it would be really cool if this could be like an option for the kind of gold mine that we have up here. Brassica ginsea can also take up other toxic metals that might be in the mine tailings, like lead, mercury, arsenic. And I am doing assays on both the soil and the plants to see what else is in the tailings and what the plants end up being able to take up. So not only could the plants have potential for getting gold out of these nasty tailings heaps, they could also be getting other pollutants that could end up back in the environment. So there's a dual, like, economic mining / environmental remediation application to this.